Circuit is some specific closed work. Circuit is some specific closed work where no vertex appears more than once. That means vertex repetition not allowed. Vertex repetition not allowed. Vertex repetition not allowed. Plus it is a closed work. Plus it is a closed work. So it's a closed work where vertex repetition not allowed is known as a circuit. Okay. Now if I give you an example here, this is an example A E1. So let's start with A E1 B E1B, then E5 E E5 E, then E7A. So this triangle is a circuit. This is a circuit. It is a circuit. Why it's a circuit? Because no vertex is repeating. And starting vertex and end vertex both are A. Starting vertex A, end vertex also A. So no vertex repeated, and it's also a closed work, that is a circuit. Similarly, now I ask you to construct a circuit starting from C. So all of you go on, construct a circuit starting from C. I think it's not visible. I will write it clearly. So this is A, this is B, this is C, D, this is E. E1, E2, E3, E4, E5, E6, E7, and E8. Okay, go on. All of you start. All of you start. Uh, I want you to construct a circuit starting from C, ending at C. C point. Okay, anyone completed? Done. What's the circuit? Name of the circuit? C, then C3, then sorry, CE3, then DE6, then BE2C. Correct. So it's a circuit. CE3. So if I draw the circuit, it becomes like this. Right? Okay, very good. Any other circuit? Any other circuit? Yes. CE3, DE4, EE5, BE2, C. Well done. This is also a circuit. So this circuit is look like this one. Okay, this one is another circuit. Okay. So similarly, you can construct lots of circuits. Remember one thing, you cannot repeat. You cannot repeat the vertex inside circuit. Only one vertex is repeated, that is the first vertex and last vertex. Because this is a closed loop. In a closed loop, one vertex will be repeated. This is the first vertex and the last vertex. And since it is circuit, you cannot repeat any inside vertex. Okay? Clear? So the next one. See? Yes. Yes, it is. I get your point. Can you please open your mask and tell me? Yes, tell me. C, CE3, this one. E6D. I get your point. Come here. Same set, same set. Okay. So if you take the alternate way, if you take the opposite way, okay, you will get the same circuit. Okay. If you start from the opposite side, you will get the same circuit, no matter what. Okay. Because no direction is possible. I mean, direction doesn't matter because it's not a directed graph. Yes. Sorry. Self loop. Self loop is a circuit. Self loop is always a circuit. Okay. It's the smallest circuit. Okay. Yes, because the subgraph, if I, the last statement is very important. Every vertex in a circuit is of degree 2. That means whenever I am constructing a circuit, circuit means only look at the circuit part. Don't look at the whole graph, only look at the circuit part. If I talk about the subgraph, okay, take this subgraph away, always you will get degree of each and every vertex is 2. Always. It's very important. So always for a circuit, the degree of each and every vertex is going to be 2. If I extract that circuit as a subgraph. So this is the thing. If I extracting as a subgraph. Extracting as a subgraph, then you will get the degree of each and every vertex as a 2. Okay, that vertex degree is going to be of the subgraph, okay, not the original graph. All right. So let's go for the next case. What is connected graph and disconnected graph? A graph is said to be connected if there is at least, if if there is at least one path between every pair of vertices in G, otherwise it is disconnected. Okay, a graph is said to be connected. A graph is said to be connected if there is at least one path. If there is at least one path between every pair of vertices. If there is at least one path between every pair of vertices, otherwise it is disconnected. Path means what? We can connect that two vertex using some open walk. Using some open walk, and not only open walk, even it's a path. Path means vertex not repeated. Okay. So if I talk about this graph, if I talk about this A vertex, if I want to move from A to G, I will get a path. One path is this one. This one is a path. Also, another path is this one. This one is a path. Also, another path is this one. Okay. So I can find three different paths to move from A to G. A to C. Okay, this is C or G. I think it's G. A to G. I can move from A to G using three different paths. That means similarly, you can find different vertex from this graph. You can easily move from one vertex to another vertex using one path. There exists a path by which you can move from one vertex to another vertex. That means this graph is a connected graph. This graph is a connected graph. This graph is a connected graph. Okay, because one connection is possible from each and every vertex. Okay, connection means one path exists. One path exists. Okay, what is the path? What is the path? Stand up. It is open walk. It is an open walk. Sit down. Path is an open walk where no vertex repeating. No vertex repeating. Open walk, no vertex repetition. Then it's going to be a path. Okay. Now, what is disconnected graph? Disconnected graph means like this graph. This graph is disconnected. This graph is disconnected. Why? Because if I go for this point, vertex, this vertex L and this vertex J, we cannot connect them through any path. There is no path exist. No path exists. No path exists in between L and J. No path exists in between L and J. That's why this graph is a disconnected graph. Okay. Next question for you. Evaluate the at least 5 walks, paths, and circuits, both open and closed, for the following graph. So first graph is given to you. I will give you the mark the vertex. This is A. This is B. Okay, Hannah. Returning the last page. This is last page for you, Hannah. Okay. Shall I move on, Hannah? Shall I move on?
Yes, sir.
Is that okay, Hannah?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So the next thing is that evaluate at least 5 walk. So your task to evaluate, this is A, B, this is C, okay, this is B, and this is the path. Let's say this is F, this is G, this is G, this is H, and this is C. Okay? Yes, C, small c. Okay? So construct 5 walk. So you have to construct 5 walk separately. W1, W2, W3, W4, W5. 5 different walk you have to construct. Okay? And also 5 paths. P1, P2, P3, P4, P5. 5 different paths. Okay? Also 5 different circuits. C1, C2, C3, C4, C5. These 3 things you have to construct. All right? So first I will give you idea about walk. What is the first walk? W1. I can give W1 equals to, let's say, BGC. Is one walk, BGC. Is that okay? BGC is one walk. Clear or not? Now BGC, what is the length of this walk? What is the length of this walk? 1. Next, I give you another walk, that is BFA. What is the length of this walk? 1. If I increase it, BFA HC, what is the length of this walk? 2. Very good. Now what is W3? W3 is, let's say, AHC. AHC. And W4 equals to, this is up to you, okay? Whatever walk it is visible to you, just write it. Right now, it is visible to me like this walk, I'm writing. Don't need to copy. Don't need to copy my answer. Okay? Construct your own walk. W4 equals to ACC. And W5 equals to CHAAC. F, B, G, C. Okay. Remember, don't repeat the work. Okay. Repetition means B, G, C and C, G, B both are same. B, G, C and C, G, B both are same work. So don't write W1 equals to BGC and W2 equals to CGB. Both are same work. So that is going to be wrong answer. Okay. So don't repeat same work. Now next question is constructing the path. All of you try to construct the path. Construct the path. Path means open walk without repetition of vertex. Open walk without repetition of vertex. Open walk without repetition of vertex. I can give you an example. BGC. BGC is a path. Yes, Hannah, ACC is a path. AHC is a path. Then AFB is another path. Then AFBGC is another path. Okay. And what is the closed circuit? What are the closed circuit? Closed circuit means starting vertex and end vertex both are same, but no vertex repetition allowed. So I can make A, C, C, H, A. First circuit. Second circuit is A, F, B, G, C, H, A. Okay, H, A. Third circuit is A, F, B, G, C, C, A. Okay, any more circuit possible? Any more circuit possible? I have constructed 3 circuit. Any more circuit possible? I have constructed 3 circuits. Any more circuits are possible here? Any more circuit possible? Possible? Which one? Sorry? BGCH AFD. That is same as this one. Second one, C2. That circuit is same as C2. Right? So no more circuit possible. Only 3 circuit possible here. C4 and C5 not possible. C4 and C5 not possible. Right? Okay? Otherwise it is going to be repetition. It is going to be repetition. So repetition of circuits not allowed. So no more circuit possible. Only 3 circuits possible. One is the half circle, another is the triangle, another was the outer periphery. Three circuits possible, not more than that, right? Okay. Next question for you. Okay, I'm clearing this up. I hope it's clear, all of you. Next question for you. I'm clearing it, these things, just wait. This is A, B, C, D. This is E1, E2, E3, E4, E5, E6. And this one is one vertex here inside, that is D, E. Just a minute. So inside one vertex is there, E, and this is going to be E6. Okay. So construct W1, W2, W3, W4, W5. Also construct P1, P2, P3, P4, P5. Also construct C1, C2, C3, C4, C5. And write down the answer. I want to check your answer. So complete this task. All of you complete this task. Find W1, W2, W3 up to W5, and P1 up to P5, C1 up to C5. Quick. I'm waiting for your answer. Once you're done, please write down on chat box. and I think 5 paths and 5 walk has been completed. Okay. So I hope you guys completed, all of you, online students. Anyone sent it? Okay, hello, Mariam. There will be 4 circuit possible, only 4 circuit. Good, Zelalim, very good. Okay, all right. So I'm clearing this. So the next question for you. Once you done this question, next question for you. Yes, this one. I think visible. Still making it clear for you. A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, and the vertex are edges are E1, E2, E3, E4, E5, E6, E7. Okay, so start solving, all of you. Find all paths, all 5 paths, 5 walk, and all possible circuits. Anyone complete it? How many circuits possible here? Only two circuits? No. Only two circuits or three circuits? Two circuits? Very good. Only two circuits possible here. Both one is a square, another one is a triangle. Okay? Only two circuits possible. Very good. Okay. So I hope you have completed the walks. All of you done? Any problem in walks? Paths? All done? Path? 5 paths completed? Which one? Okay, all of you. That's all about today. We can end up right now. Let's go for attendance. Go for the next part on the next day.